For homework 1129, I want you to copy all this work and the 3 words to show me that you listen. The first word right away is yellow. So for these, again, they're giving you choices to click and drag into these boxes and see if the other number is listed, and you distributing this will give you what you're looking for, that 18x plus 24. If I times a number by 1 to get 18x, it would have to be 18x, but this doesn't work because to get that 24, I would need a 24 down here times that 1, and there is no 24 in that list. So back to the drawing board. 1 is not the number to start. Start with a 2. If I put 2 here, the only number times 2 to get 18x would be if this was 9x right here, not listed. So 2 is not my number. Try the next one, 3. If I put 3 here, looking at my remaining choices, it looks like if I put 6x there, that will give me the 18x I'm looking for. So now I just need one last number times that 3 to get that 24, and it looks like of my list, I have that number right here, which is 8. Those are the numbers that will work for this problem, because if I distribute 3 times 6x gives me 18x plus 3 all the way down times that 8, 24. So you can see those other choices did not work. Leave those alone. Only that 3, 6x, and 8. Second word is black. Black. All right, for this one, word problem. This one's giving you $5 per hour. That would be 5H. $5 per hour makes sense. You plug in 1 for an hour, you spent $5. You plug in 2, you spent $10. You plug in 3, you spent $15. $5 per hour plus that $40 deposit fee is a equal sign, and I put that 55 right here. So now this is just me solving this equation. Take away 40 gives me 5H equals 15. Divide by 3, and you'll see that the number of hours I rented to get that cost is 3 hours exactly, because it's an equation. It has the word was in there. If you start changing this though and put lessons was at most, that changes this into an inequality. You would have to solve 5H plus that same 40, but at most is less than or equal to 55. I know it's more than it sounds like, but at most is less than or equal to. So when you solve this, you'll get the number of hours you can make to make at most 55 is 3 hours or less. Put that 3 on number line, solid circle to the left. If you rent 3 hours or less, 2 hours, 1 hour, 0 hours, you spent at most 55. You start renting 4 hours, you spent more than 55. You cannot have that. The other one you need to know is the word at least, because if this said was at least, it would make this problem into an inequality that you're solving it for more than or equal to, at least. So when you solve this one the same way, you would get H is more than or equal to 3. So if you want to make at least or spend at least $55, you'd have to rent 3 hours, which is good, or more. 4 hours, 5 hours, those are all good if I want to make at least $55, 3 hours or more. If I want to make at most, no more higher than that, 3 hours or less. If I want to make exactly 55 I set that as an equal and solve for exactly how many hours. All right, the third word is blue. Blue. Show this work and those 3 words. I'll give you full credit tomorrow. Good luck.